What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in this package I have a very interesting product which is a solar light. It comes in this package right here, which I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to unbox it let you guys see what's inside. So inside this we have the solar light manual if you want to go through that. We have the two solar panel boxes which come inside right here. So this is one of the light and it looks something like this, 100% power. So we have a solar panel which inside as well, so we can use it to charge it up during the day, at night we use it and it lasts for up to 10 to something hours based on the user manual, but I'm going to go to that later on in this video. So we have some mount inside which can use hook it up. We have a remote for controlling, also a battery. I like the fact that they include a battery inside. Most products they do not send the battery, you have to purchase the battery separately. So I like that this company really consider us as consumers and send the battery inside. Right, so we have another panel right here as well, which is same 100 power saving. And right here we have the solar panel itself, which looks something like this. Wow. So on the back of the solar panel, you can see we have two cards which are gonna power two of the power light, and right here is where we have the solar panel. Now you don't have to worry about the weather condition because this right here can use outdoor even in the rain. So if rain is falling, you don't have to worry. This right here is indeed waterproof, and these cards are gonna plug into a power for charging during the day. This is the solar panel. Looks something like this. We have the two cards to the back which can power, and the card is long enough. We have a lot of feet inside right here which can travel to your system. Right, so we're gonna look at one of these solar power light. So this is solar light, so it can also work on rainy days as I mentioned earlier. So this is a light right here, looks something like this. As you can see, solar light, and have a bit of weight. This right here is glass for that illumination. So we have this part right here. This is going to connect up to our power supply, and indeed it will work quite fine. Also we have a attachment at the back, so we can tilt it to any different angle that we want. This part right here, just like so, if you want to tilt it this way, or we can adjust it based on our liking. And this is how it looks. So we did have a remote which comes inside. So I'm going to go to that now. So this is the remote right here. Now on the remote, as you guys can see, we have a auto button, which means that it turns on when it touch night. We have an on button as well. We have a brightness button. We have a dim button. Also we have a timer, which is really great. So we can set it to 2 hours. So we can set it to 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours right there. So this is not any button right here. So this is how it looks. 25 watt, IP65, waterproof solar light right here. So I'm going to try to turn it on right now. So I'm going to install the battery. So we have these two watches that come inside. Alright, so we're going to power it up right now with the remote right here that you guys see. Turn it on. And that's how it look right there, guys. You can see that. So we can turn down the brightness, we can turn it up. Now you might not see it during the day because this light right here is very bright, as you can see. Now in the night it might show a bit brighter, so it can illuminate your area. So you can use this on your house front, in your driveway or anywhere, just illuminate it during the night. And this is solar power, so you don't have to worry about any electricity costing on this right here, and just looking very neat. As you can see, very bright light. And I'm gonna might show you guys an update video of this in the night so you guys can see actually how it looks. But for now, I'm just gonna show you guys all the features of this right here. And the work time on this, as I mentioned earlier, is 10 to 20 hours, which is something that can power you through the night. And yeah, so definitely a light that I will use and recommend.